When I look at the new 2022 Akins Ford Rangers in the stock form, you know, I like them, y'all. I like them for that mid-size truck variation option, but you know, I don't love it. They have some similarities on the outside that reminds me kind of like an Explorer a little bit. It just has a unique feel to it inside and out that, you know, they definitely need Wild Willie or Roush action to help elevate. And so here we have a Cactus Gray Akins Ford Roush Ranger 2022 model, and the Cactus Gray helps give it that vibe that it needs. And if you add the other subtleties, it complement greatly in the package from Roush Performance. It definitely brings it to the forefront of, hey, this is a truck I can get behind. So today's review from your boy Real Deal Neal at Willies at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. We're reviewing this Cactus Gray, and the Roush products have been great for us, but especially on the Ranger side. They don't last very long. We've had several different colors and variations, but this Cactus Gray to me probably hits the best. Let me know what your thoughts are first and foremost on the Cactus Gray with the accents of that gray throughout. It's got kind of a Raptor vibe as far as what they were trying to achieve by doing, you know, that grayish, nice off-road fenders there on the side, some unique Roush badging on the side there too, a functional heat extractor, which is a benefit. The same gray look on your lower bumper, and a nice one-of-one Roush grill of that same gray variation. Little skid plate action with red tow hooks. That just is very functional, but also just looks very awesome from an off-road standpoint. And then coming around the side, you can tell our mild to wild scale with our wheel and tire setup is very mild. And Roush, to be 50 state compliant, they make sure and do that. So no offset whatsoever as far as protruding past the side fender flares. They do have unique Roush 18-inch wheels on 32-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires, ATX, and 285/60/18. And General is also Continental, so have a great partnership with those there. And this tire actually has been impressive to me as far as a road noise and ride quality overall. Of course, if I was going to pick a tire, I would not pick the General Grabber ATX for my Ranger build, but you know, this is a solid tire option, and just their principle and philosophy of buying tires by the masses and the partnership they have with Continental in general, this is a great option, y'all. So don't just say because we're not running these tires on a lot of our builds that it's not a good tire. It's just we've had proven success with other tires, but this tire here we've seen come in with higher mileage, and it's held up actually fairly well. And the side, I'm a big sidewall guy, so this sidewall to me is not my favorite. It could be slightly more aggressive, but still it's a good solid option and a great complement to the Roush off-road package. You have nice unique Roush badging there on the lower rocker, and of course we did Lumar window tint here at Akins, and this comes with the American flag, Go America, out back, and a good look at the stance back here. As you can tell, mild to wild scale, we're definitely nice and tucked in. Little Roush badge on the back side there, and then Roush exhaust sounds really good on the 2.3 liter, pumping out 270 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Definitely gives you some more breathability and kind of livens up the exhaust and engine overall. It is not going to wow you as far as power overall, but definitely more than adequate. So over here on the side, I hope this is a good look for you. As far as overall height, it's 32 inches, and then it has the Fox coilover suspension up front at the 2-inch mark, much like our F-150 kits that we love to run. So you got a nice Fox Performance Series coilover up front and Fox shocks in the back to complement. Looking great. I'm a huge fan of the Fox, y'all. You know, I love our Fox Performance shocks. Here's a good look at your window sticker and VIN number information, all the functional equipment. You also get a console vault on the inside, which I'll show you. You've got nice Roush leather seats, which are a great addition to this XLT model. Just helps really tie in the overall interior. Some nice badging there. And here's what I was saying about just feels, you know, Explorer and Ford Edges from the 2013 and newer models. It has a very SUV type inside, so I think it could be slightly more rugged. Maybe time for updates coming soon. I'm a fan of those Explorer and Edge interiors of those year models. It's just maybe time to do a little more modern rendition for the newness. A little engine start there to hear the Roush exhaust. Definitely under load, it sounds pretty daggum good to be a EcoBoost 4-cylinder, y'all. So no slouch there, more than adequate power. the Roush Performance Ford Ranger. Cactus gray, I think the color hits just right, and as you can tell and see, definitely an upgrade from the stock Ranger form. Just find ways to make it be more of a truck and less of a street SUV is kind of the goal whenever I'm customizing these here at Willies at Akins also. But Roush did a great job, and I know this one won't last long. Peace out.